everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. If you're looking for something different to do with Yukon Gold potatoes, I have some suggested flavor combinations that are known to go well with Yukon Golds. So give these a try. How about combining Yukon Gold potatoes with butternut squash and sage? That's interesting. How about combining Yukon Golds with cauliflower and leeks? Or combine them with cheddar cheese, chilies, and corn. Mix Yukon Gold potatoes with cream, garlic, and thyme. That sounds like mashed potatoes to me. How about Yukon Gold potatoes with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and parsley? That sounds like a sauteed dish. How about Yukon Golds with garlic and olive oil? Or Yukon Golds with herbs like rosemary, oregano, thyme, and throw some lemon in there. So there are some different flavor combinations here for you to try. I hope this gives you some ideas for something different to do. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.